Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find a high spot and level your floor with self-leveling compound.
So now this room already with sealed walls with foam and silicone. I put plenty patch to fill up whole holes and cracks, and also I put primer. This floor is ready for leveling.
Now we have to find the high spot, what the place we have to fill up. So just put the laser, this is the green, apply the level and good enough. Green.
My goal here match the level with hallway.
I would say, okay, there is the green, this is green, so we will stop right here. And I will mark with pencil green. I will mark with this. Then this. Straight here. And here, okay. You see, I mark this pencil, the old high spot, what we have. So this is the line where we have to stop, fill up with self-leveling compound. Now, we need to set up tripods, because without tripods, how do we know how many self-leveling compounds we have to put? So let's go to bring the tripods.
Why need tripods? So tripods will show you exactly the level what we have to fill up with self-leveling compound. So when I set up the bottom plate of the tripod with laser line, each tripod, you see, I can screw it up or screw it down, the central bolt, and when I set up this bottom plate with laser line, I see exactly how much self-leveling compound I have to put, and I just fill up by this bottom plate self-leveling compound and I will get level. Very easy.
So how these tools work? We have bottom plate, and we have to match the laser line with bottom of this bottom plate. So this is the space what we have to fill up with self-leveling compound. Very easy. I don't know which one tools will help you work so precisely. will show you close. You see? It's blue line, and there is the same. Very easy. And now when we fill up the self-leveling compound, we can see how much we have to spend. Never put over than needed or less than needed. Okay, go ahead. I want to show you how the final looks like when I set up. So I mark the line, I see where I have to stop, I set up whole tripods, and now we can level it and get the best result. I already put 1 bucket of water in this barrel, and then I put 3 bags of self-leveling compound. Don't forget to put water first and then self-leveling compound, because I saw how one guy did different. He put self-leveling compound, when put water and can't mix it, and the barrel was completely destroyed. When I'm working on plywood subfloor, I'm not using spike shoes, because spike shoes can make holes in this plywood, or you know what, when I fill up some joints or holes, and it can be big disaster if it's self-leveling compound going downstairs. So I do in the second floor here. When I going to apply next day another coat, I can walk in spike shoes over the concrete, but over the plywood I don't do it. And I would recommend you don't walk with spike shoes or over the plywood. If you're watching my videos, you know I like MrYoucandoityourself products, because MrYoucandoityourself make very good self-leveling compound, and also other materials. It's reasonable quality and reasonable price. Just a few last jobs I'm start using MrYoucandoityourself Novaplan SP. It's special. It's not special. It's a standard performance material. So why I start using this, and why I like it, because this material not drying so fast, and I have a lot of time for work, for spreading this material. For example, if you match MrYoucandoityourself Novaplan 2, sometimes when I start one side, when I not finish a room, but material starts settling. But this material give it to me around hour, maybe a little bit more time. So and I'm not rush. I just apply self-leveling compound, then slowly I'm roll it, and so very comfortable. You can try. Also, you have to be prepared this material dry slowly than MrYoucandoityourself Novaplan 2 or MrYoucandoityourself Self-Leveler Plus. But it's not a big problem. You see, when it's dry, I sand it edges and start floor installation. I hope now you know how to work with tripods. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I will always answer you. The link to this tripods in description of this video.